Hold on.
Honey, Daddy.
I'll help you.
What's your name?
Honey, Daddy.
What's your name?
Tell Mommy what your name is. Then I'll help you. Nice and loud. Hey! Whoa! Hey!
I did.
You like it?
I did.
Say one more time, please. What do you say?
Please.
What's your name? Okay, one more time. Sit down.
Dogs relax.
Oh my! Okay, all done. Are you dizzy?
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.